Well, now that we did all the prep work that we did before, we're going to be showing more attacks very quickly. So similar as before, we have the three VMs that we show: the good guy unprotected, the one protected with Apex, and the bad guy running Dark Comet. And this time the unsuspected user gets an email with a link of a website that maybe he trusts. It's a case of a water hole type of attack where the bad guys inject the attack into the HTML of the trusted website, or it can be a site just designed for that. But nevertheless, the guy clicks on the email link, and that link exploits a Java vulnerability. He can use IE, again, Firefox or Chrome, and that allows a direct communication with the Dark Comet, and we'll see that the user can see everything that the good guy unsuspectedly is doing. Then we're going to move to exactly the same machine that has Apex installed, and we're going to see how that connection never takes place. We have the three machines. So let's actually go and open again the mail client. New notification waiting for you. Oh, I get a link. Let me click on that link, and you see a plane there. I don't even know what it is. It says please wait. I have no clue what's happening. What is happening on the ground is that I've been actually, this socket error is an error of that comet. We don't have to pay attention to that. But the machine has actually been compromised. And as we showed before, the keylogger. Now we can show, for example, remote desktop. And actually, I want to see what the guy is actually seeing in here. Let's start the capture and see what do we see. Well, we see everything that the good guy is actually doing. If we close this window, the window gets closed. If we, whatever else we do, we are seeing exactly everything we are doing from that machine. Now, let's actually close that connection and do the same attack from the good guy. As I said before, exactly the same machine, only that this one doesn't have Apex installed. Let me go into that new notification waiting for you, click on the link, and Apex blocks that attack from actually happening because it is something that is not expected to be done by the Java application. And that's what is so great about the Trusteer. We don't identify the attack. We just identify the good things that you can do. Everything else we actually block. So we see the plane in here as we saw before, but there's no communication here on the bad guy at all. So Trusteer protects the user.